Alright, now we're going to export the model to Substance Painter. So having my model selected, make sure delete history, freeze transformation, center pivot, and save. Go to export selection and put it to your desktop or whatever. I'm going to go over my last file. And for Substance Painter, you want to make sure you're in the file type of XVX export. On the right side window here, scroll down until you find geometry, or it might be under include geometry, and only have smoothing groups selected, and hit export. And you'll get this warning. So this warning, that's okay. This just tells us that we are exporting on our smooth mesh preview mode. Hit X. Let me just open up Substance Painter really quick. All right, Substance Painter. Here we go. Great. So now we are opened up to Substance Painter, File, and let's go to New. And you want to be in the template of ASM PBR Metallic Roughness, which is the first one. Your file here, select, is the file you just exported. For me, it was train UV. Hit open. Document resolution 1024 is fine. You can go up higher if your computer can handle it. Normal map format, if you're on Windows, DirectX. If you're on Mac, OpenGL. Compute tangent space per fragment is fine. Use UV tile flow, sure. This is all fine down here. And let's hit OK. Perfect. So you can see my train is imported, and these are all the texture sets I created in Maya. All the wheels here, the engine here, all the dowels, and there seems to be something up with the dowels, so let me actually go back to Maya. Yep, I see. Oh, these two UV shells are right inside of each other. We do not like that. So I just made a really quick change to the UV shell really quick. So I have to now re-export. So I'm gonna delete history, center pivot, re-export. I'm just gonna go over the same file. Export selection, yes. And now back in Painter, I can just go to edit, re-import mesh, dowel, now it's fixed. So pretty seamless between both programs. So all of these components are separate, they're separate because I gave them a different material property in Maya, right? All of them have a different material property. Great. So the first thing we want to do before we do anything in Painter is you want to file and save as, right? Save your file name as whatever you need. On the right hand side, texture set settings, and you can do this in any texture set list here. It applies to all of them. Under channels, add in an emissive map and an ambient occlusion map. You might not have emissive in your project. Some of you might not. That's okay. It's good to have it anyway, just in case. Now keep scrolling down till you find mesh maps, bake mesh maps, output size, you can increase this to 2048 or higher. I'm going to keep it at 1024. The rest of this is all okay, and then hit bake selected textures. So basically, Substance Painter is now calculating the PBR texture maps and the lighting data on the model. Perfect, great. There we go. Now you can see there's much more ambient occlusion and just better lighting overall on the model. Okay. If you're not seeing these windows here, you can go to Window and then Reset UI, and it'll, you know, put these back into its normal or its previous places. I personally have everything kind of down here. Okay, this is better for me. If you don't see this split view, you want to go into this here, and you go to 3D 2D, or you can go to 3D only. 3D 2D is much better because we have the actual view 3D viewport here and what the UVs look like here. So if you need to do some, you know, minor painting or some, you know, a lot more specific painting here, then you would do that, right? Okay. And this is how you set up, and this is how you import for Substance Painter.